Hey coders, welcome back to my YouTube channel with new series called SpeedCraft. Today our project is building a personal expenses tracker using JavaScript. So let's dive into the project and let's see how quickly we can bring this idea to life. First, make sure you have your development environment set up. I am using Visual Studio Code and we will be working with just HTML, CSS and JavaScript for this project. Open your code editor, create new file and let's get started. Okay, time to speed code the core functionality. We will create a simple form for adding expenses, categorize them and calculate the total. Pay close attention as we make our expenses tracker function in just few minutes. Okay, now quickly add some styling to make our expenses tracker visually appealing. A clean and organized design always enhances the user experience. And there you have it. A personal expense tracker in just 5 minutes. Now you can easily track your expenses. Try adding more features like data analytics to take it to the next level. If you found this speed coding session helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick and practical coding. Happy coding!